the gills, ensuring the filaments stay clear and healthy. We use a low-pressure hose to flush the gills, ensuring the filaments stay clear and healthy.
The transition begins with calibrated precision.
I'm marking these imperfections here. They are minor.
Understood. The gauge is reading 2.2 millimeters consistently across this section.
Good. Next quadrant.
Each hide is logged, its unique qualities mapped. The conveyor carries the hide into the massive drum, where the washing process begins.
Water and solutes are removed under immense, even pressure.
Precision excision ensures only the finest raw material proceeds.
Heat sets the mineral bonds, locking in stability. Every square centimeter is tested for uniformity.
The surface is abraded to reveal depth and character. A protective layer is fused to the surface by ultraviolet light.
The water forms perfect, high contact angle beads that roll off effortlessly, leaving no trace. This demonstrates.
Guided by the original digital map, the high-precision laser head maximizes yield, cutting intricate patterns for watch straps and wallet panels from the unique hide.
Each cut edge is sealed and finished by hand.
Hand finishing brings out the final, living luster.
The cycle is complete. The pallet moves toward the warehouse, leaving the workstation clear for the next batch.
Every product is logged. Its journey from nature to vault complete. The cycle resets. The mountain does not sleep.
This is the finished shark leather strap. Notice how the focused lighting highlights the unique texture and the deep patina of the hide.
The journey ends here. In texture, you can feel.
It begins with respect for the raw material. Every step is a dialogue between nature and engineering.
Every offcut is inspected. When held to the light, the density and layering of the leather fibers must meet our exact standards.
The value is in the transformation, not the taking.
At the microscopic level, the marriage of nature and science is complete.
The granulator reduces the byproducts to a fine powder, which is then pneumatically conveyed to this silo.
Nothing is discarded. Waste is merely material without a purpose.
It is in. As you can see, we've reached our goal of 100% waste diversion from the landfill. Water recycling is up.
The blueprint and the product, intention and result.
It began here, in nature's own workshop.
In this transformation, we find not just an object, but a story etched in skin.